Welcome to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. We're focusing on two big goals today: achieving financial freedom and building lasting wealth. Here's the key insight. Proper money management is what leads to becoming rich, not the other way around. Rich people's habits consistently outperform average habits because they follow superior systems and make smarter decisions. Wealth doesn't happen by accident. It's built on three pillars: your daily habits, your financial systems, and your strategic decisions. Welcome to a powerful lesson on how wealthy people manage money completely differently through 7 proven rules that can transform your financial life. The first rule is simple but life-changing. Before paying any bills or expenses, the rich automatically direct their income into investments, savings, and assets that grow. This means your income flows to you first for wealth building, and only then do expenses get paid. Now let's explore the second rule: how the rich think about saving money in a fundamentally different way. While most people commit to saving a fixed amount like $500 monthly, the rich commit to a percentage like 20%, which automatically scales with income growth. Committing to a percentage beats committing to a fixed amount because your wealth building grows alongside your income. The average person asks what they can buy with money, while the rich ask how they can use money to make more money. This single mindset shift changes everything. Wealthy people see money as a tool for creating more wealth, not as a reward to spend immediately. The rich invest consistently through market crashes, recessions, bad news, and fear because they know discipline beats panic every time. Staying invested over long periods produces better results than trying to predict perfect market timing. Regular, disciplined investing matters more than intelligence or market timing abilities when building lasting wealth. Wealthy individuals build multiple income streams by developing side income, passive income, and investment income to reduce financial risk. They also create business income and skill-based income as additional earning sources that strengthen their financial foundation. Relying on one income creates vulnerability, while building 3 or more income streams creates true financial freedom. Good debt buys assets that generate income, while bad debt funds lifestyle expenses that lose value. The rich only borrow for the former. Wealthy people never borrow money for lifestyle consumption, reserving debt only for investments that produce returns. The rich track their money religiously by monitoring income, expenses, and investments to maintain complete financial awareness. They also measure net worth and growth rate to understand their financial progress and trajectory over time. What gets measured gets improved. Tracking your finances is essential for growing your wealth. Instead of just saving money, the rich buy time by investing in automation, convenience, and systems that free them to earn more. They also invest in tools, skills, and delegation to increase their earning capacity rather than simply cutting expenses. Time is more valuable than money because you can use time to create more money, but money cannot create more time. These rich money systems rest on 3 foundational principles: paying yourself first, thinking in percentages, and treating money as a tool. Add to these the habits of consistent investing, building multiple income streams, avoiding bad debt, and tracking every dollar to complete your wealth-building system. Start with just one of these rules, and you'll notice positive changes in your financial situation almost immediately. Before we wrap up, let me share what's coming in our next video that could save your financial future. We're revealing 10 dangerous money habits that keep people broke and exactly how to break them. You won't want to miss this one.